Welcome to this video where we'll be discussing the action-packed movie, John Wick 3, Parabellum, and the valuable life lessons it offers. This third installment in the John Wick franchise brings us more of the adrenaline-fueled fight scenes and intense storyline that fans have come to love. But beyond the thrilling action, the movie also presents a number of important themes that can teach us valuable lessons about life. So sit back and join us as we explore the world of John Wick 3 and the lessons we can learn from it. The third entry in the John Wick series, directed by Chad Stahelski and starring Keanu Reeves as the title character, is John Wick 3, Parabellum. The film picks up directly after the events of John Wick. Chapter 2, with John having been excommunicated from the Continental Hotel and on the run from assassins. The film begins with John Wick sprinting through New York City's rainy streets, hoping to find a means to survive. He is hurt and nearing exhausted, but he knows he must keep traveling if he is to survive. The initial few minutes of the film set the tone for what is to come. John must also endeavor to clear his name and re-enter the good graces of the Continental Hotel. He seeks assistance from former acquaintances such as Winston, Ian McShane, the Continental's manager, and the Bowery King, Lawrence Fishburne, the leader of a gang of homeless assassins. He rapidly understands, however, that he cannot trust anyone in this world and must rely on his own abilities to survive. The film is replete with amazing action sequences that have become synonymous with the franchise. The action scenes are brilliantly choreographed and executed, from gunfights to hand-to-hand combat. Keanu Reeves, famed for performing many of his own stunts, gives an authenticity to the action that is uncommon in Hollywood blockbusters. In addition to the action, the film delves deeper into the world of assassins than prior movies. The High Table, a mysterious institution that oversees the world of assassins, and the principles that govern their society are revealed to us. We also get a better look at the Continental Hotel, which acts as a safe haven for assassins and is an important aspect of the series. Halle Berry, who plays Sophia, a former acquaintance of John's who assists him in his quest, gives one of the film's great performances. Berry delivers an incredible degree of intensity to the character, and her chemistry with Reeves is palpable. Both performers lend gravitas to their roles, which contributes to the franchise's overall world building. Overall, John Wick 3, Parabellum is a fantastic action film that lives up to the franchise's promise. It's a non-stop ride from beginning to end, featuring spectacular battle scenes and a diverse array of characters. Fans of the series will not be disappointed, and newbies will also find much to appreciate. The film establishes the franchise's future sequels, and fans may expect more adventures with John Wick in the future. John Wick 3, Parabellum is an action-packed film with tremendous battle sequences and a captivating storyline. However, beneath the surface of the film is a wealth of life lessons that can benefit our society. Here are some of the life lessons we may take away from John Wick 3 and how they can affect our society. The consequences of our actions. The consequences of our choices is one of the most notable life lessons that can be drawn from John Wick 3. The plot revolves around John Wick, a former hitman who is compelled to come out of retirement to face the consequences of his previous deeds. The film demonstrates how our choices have consequences and how we must be prepared to deal with them. This lesson is especially applicable in our society. Too often, people act without thinking about the implications. This can have detrimental consequences for both the individual and society as a whole. We can become more sensitive of our behaviors and the influence they can have on ourselves and others by learning from John Wick 3. The importance of perseverance. Another key lesson to be learned from John Wick 3 is the value of perseverance. John Wick encounters various problems and hardships throughout the film, yet he never loses up. Even when the odds are stacked against him, he continues to fight. Perseverance is an important characteristic in our society. We all confront difficulties and barriers in our life, but it is our perseverance that helps us to overcome them. We can become more robust and more equipped to deal with life's obstacles by learning from John Wick 3. The value of loyalty. Another major motif in John Wick 3 is loyalty. The film emphasizes the importance of loyalty in both personal and professional relationships. John Wick is extremely loyal to people he loves, and his love is returned. Loyalty is also an important characteristic in modern society. It enables us to form strong bonds and collaborate well in groups. We can learn from John Wick 3 to be more loyal and to form stronger bonds with those around us. The dangers of revenge. Finally, John Wick 3 teaches us about the perils of vengeance. Throughout the film, John Wick is driven by a desire for vengeance, but this passion has negative effects. Revenge can be a deadly incentive in our society. It can create a vicious cycle of violence with bad implications for both the individual seeking vengeance and society as a whole. We can become more aware of the hazards of vengeance by learning from John Wick 3 and working toward more positive answers to our difficulties. To summarize, John Wick 3, Parabellum is a film full of action and thrill. But it also provides a wealth of great life lessons. We can become better people and contribute to a more good society by learning from these experiences. Thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our latest uploads. If you have any questions or comments about the topics discussed in this video, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We love hearing from our viewers and will do our best to respond to as many comments as possible. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you again in our next video. Are you excited to start making your own amazing videos? Head over to Pictory.com, have given the link below, and join our community of video makers. With Pictory, you can easily create and edit professional quality videos in minutes. Plus, as a special bonus for our new subscribers, you'll receive a 10% discount on your subscription fee from my link below. So don't wait, sign up now and start making your own awesome videos today. Follow the link in the description to get started.